Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain how you can convert day, month and year format to month, date and year, and similarly how you can convert month, date and year format to date, month and year. Sometimes it gets quite tricky in Excel when you have data but you have date formatted incorrectly. So let's begin with changing date, month and year format to month, date and year. Suppose in in this in this column you can see 25th November 2022 is formatted as day, month and year. Now you want to show this at month, date and year. Let's see how we are going to do. There are several ways to achieve this, but one of the most easiest, reliable and accurate ways is to do through this formula. Is equals to, select the cell D9 and is equal to, let's begin with left, since you want mid value in the beginning because you want month to begin with, so mid, start number is 4. See, 1 2 3 4, 4 is where month start from, and 2. Now put and, just place slash in inverted commas, and now let's start with left. Select 2, bracket. Now let's put and, put slash between inverted commas, let's put and again. Now select right and let's put 4. Here is your formula. It's changed to 11th, means November 25th 2022. You can see the date is formatted correctly. Now you can just drag and drop this formula to the bottom and every date will be copied accordingly. Now sometimes you have got this format like month, date and year, but now circumstances require you to convert this to day, month and year. Let's see, you can do this through the same formula. You can just copy this and paste this and you will achieve what you want. For example, explaining this formula is the midpoint, like day in the cell, day should appear first. You can see this part of the formula should appear first. Now then left, in the previous example the left, extreme left was our date, now it's our month, and you need to put this into middle. So I hope this helps. I hope this video helps you in achieving your objective. Let me know if you need any further explanation or any further clarification. Thank you.